Hey guys, in this video today, I want to backtest my trading strategy. Okay, I want to backtest exactly how I trade. So this is typically how I go about my trading every day. So first of all, just open my trading view here and look at my watch list. I have 10 pairs that I'm looking at right now. All right. So these ones that I've highlighted, probably I have setups on them, or maybe there is a certain move that I'm expecting to occur, and I have alerts sitting on them as well. So these are 10 pairs. I'm going to choose one that I'll backtest for the purpose of this video. So I'll just head over to Google here and type random number generator. So I want Google to help me pick up or a random number so that I can use to, pick whatever pair that I'm going to trade. All right. So let's do that real quick. So I'm just going to enter the number here. You see maximum of 100. So uh, I'll just enter 10, then generate, because the maximum was 10. So now it has chosen 7. All right. It has given me 7. I'm just gonna go and pick the 7th pair on my watch list and backtest it. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. This is the pair we're backtesting, Euro JPY. So now I'll head over to my backtesting platform. I have a platform that I backtest on. My trading view plan has expired, so I've tried to recharge it. My card is declining stuff. I don't know. There's some error going on. I'm trying to rectify it. For the moment, I use Go Chatting because it is a free backtesting platform as well. You can use this to backtest your strategy, especially for you beginners. So I'll just allow it to load up. Then I add Euro JPY to my watch list. So here it is. I'll just type here Euro JPY. All right. So as you all know, I usually do my analysis on the 4-hour time frame. All right. And so for the purpose of this backtesting, I'll not go too much in depth. I'll just do my analysis here and I'll blindly take trades here. Okay. So but you need to understand that there is more to my entries than just this. All right. But I just want to show you how fractal price action is. So I'll scroll this down so I can barely see anything. And I'll push this price all the way to, let's just take it here. I'll start here, Wednesday. What's this? 9th March. I'll just take it from here. All right. So I should have something like this. Good. Now I'm going to start playing price. All right. And this is going to take a while. So buckle up and, let's do this together. So I'll just play price now and see how it goes. I might need to speed that up a bit. All right, let's leave it like that. That's fast enough. Okay, I see a price level here rejecting price pretty well. I see this area here rejecting price, but I'm not just going to take that blindly because I don't really see a lot of momentum coming up from that level. But I also see this level here as a potential buying area because I see wicks here rejecting this price. I see price has already overplayed, but still you can see that this tap here was valid. All right, so I'll just ignore that since I didn't take it. It's still perfect. It's still fine. So let's play price along and see. All right, that level has broken. Of course, I'll take my retest down to this next zone. All right, I usually like take this point maybe a little bit deeper in my zone. I like to take it like that, and I'll keep my stop loss just above this wick here. And as you all know, I go for 1:2. All right, I go for 1:2. So I'll just fix this to 1:2. Perfect, perfect. Now let's see. And at this point, guys, I've taken partials, all right? I usually take partials on my trades. So partials, I take like midpoint. When the price has entered midpoint, I take partials and I move my stops to break even here like this. So I'll play price now. All right. So that would have been a partial win and stop out at break even for the other positions. So here I'm up, I don't know. Should I say, you should calculate this, huh? You should write this down because I don't want to multitask. Let me just get something and write this down. Okay, first trade. I was supposed to be up how many 2 hour, but I'm up 1 hour. Okay, so I'll just put 1 hour. I'm up 1 hour for the first trade. So let's go. Okay, now this level has broken back again. Of course, if price still comes back, I'm still interested in buying this area. I'm still interested in buying this zone because it looks pretty good. So I'll just place a buy limit somewhere here. And my stop loss, I don't even know, just keep it there. Nice and tight. Let me fix this. And I usually aim for 1 to 2, like that. And yeah, boom. We had a winning trade here, guys. This is a winning trade. It's pretty simple. You understand? Look for areas in price where you see rejections. And I've always emphasized, if you watch my previous videos, guys, I've mentioned these weeks. These weeks you see here. All right, these weeks are very, it signifies a lot. Don't just come here and look for blind reactions like this one, this high. So you see the price just reversed here, but it's not really. But we see price reversing with weeks like this, multiple weeks at a particular area like here. So you might ask, oh, why did I take this area support? This is it. This is it. 1, 2, 3. How many thousand retests does this level has? It has a bunch of retests and a bunch of weeks. You get. I like choppy and messy areas like this. These are the real areas that hold price, not some clean looking. Nah, these chubby areas are perfect for price rejections. All right, you can see even this highs here is the same thing. Price tapped here and went up. It came here, bounced here before breaking. So at least you must have profited on this one. Then maybe if you lost on this one, okay, it depends on you. All right. So at this point, I'm up 3 hour because I've taken 2 hour here and 1 hour here. Remember, so I'm up 2 hour on my second position. My objective for this back testing is to take 10 trades. All right. I'm doing this for somebody. Somebody is a special request. So let's see how this goes. So now what do we observe here? What do I see? I see these highs here, but if I see some nice consolidation or some wicks rejecting this area down, then I might highlight that as my next supply zone. But that didn't happen. It just continued up. Okay, let's go. So for now, I have just one level, which is this one that I'm looking at. So I want to see price doing something really nice. I could have sold here, but I don't regret not taking trades there because it does not really meet up with my rules and objectives. You know, I set up rules for every trade that I take. You should have rules. You get. I see some nice areas here too. I see these weeks and all of this choppy price action here, like I mentioned earlier. I like this kind of price action, but I would not trade here. I'll not buy here. I'd rather sell. Okay. So if this area breaks nicely, I'll take a sell. Okay, I see price continue to the upside. Then I also see these areas here. It's pretty clear. Let's see. Okay. You see, this is the 4 hour time frame. If you look at this is a very long time of price action. So that is why you should not just look at one or two pairs. This thing they say, oh, master one pair, master two pairs. There's no such thing. I don't care how many years you take to master a particular pair, you always take losses. Do you understand? You will always take losses. Watch as many pairs as you possibly can, especially using my system like this. Use the large time frames like this one, like 4 hours. Man, one candle takes 4 good hours. Inside that 4 hours, you've analyzed like 20 pairs already, and you know exactly what you're looking for on every pair. Or maybe you've analyzed, let's say 12 pairs, and you've probably seen a setup on like 3 pairs. So that's it. Now from 12, the numbers have gone down to 3. So now you're watching 3 pairs. See, that's it. So it does not really matter. Just imagine watching just 2 pairs and you see this thing like this goes up like this for like a week. Guy, you're not going to trade anything. So how long are you going to see here for? So that's why it's important to watch every pair. Price action is price action. So you just need to have a system and screw this pair thing unless maybe you're a fundamental trader or anything like that. As long as you trade price action is very fractal and it's the same thing. All right. Okay, I see some nice wicks here rejecting this area. Beautiful. I like to see this. So I'll highlight this area here as a supply area. Okay, I like to sell there. So I'll just place a sell limit just in case price comes back up. I'll be tagged in. All right, I'll enter there. I'll keep my stop loss just above these wicks here. I like that. Perfect. And I'll aim for 2R. Sweet. Hopefully I get tagged in. Hopefully. I am in. Play price. Good. I'm out. I'm out. Oh my bad. This platform is terrible. This platform is terrible. I cannot even move this thing. Okay, let me just do it like this. Nice. Beautiful. You can see that that's another winning trade there. How many times do I need to explain you this? Look at it didn't even reach here. You can see here this first tap here tagged me in and it probably touched my stop loss here. So I'll be out here. So that's it. All right, perfect. So now add this to my journal. This is another winning trade plus 2R. So in total, we are up 5R already on 3 trades. So you see you see why it's very, very important. It's very, very important. It's very key to be patient in this market. Okay. This is an area here that price is bouncing off of, but I'll not trade here. Okay. Let's play price. Oh, my bad. Let's play price. You see that? It was a big trap. All right, let's go up. Let's continue. Guys, please, this area is still valid, okay? This area is still valid. I forgot to mention that this area is still valid because there's a strong push here and a rejection here. So I'll definitely take a trade here if I was on this chart live. Stop loss, same place. All right, same target. Remember, guys, you always take partials. Always take partials. All right. So at this point, my partial will be 1 to 1R. I've already taken partials here. So my stop loss will be at break even. Then let's see where the price goes from here. Good. It goes straight to TP. So now I'm up how many R? I'm up a total of plus 2R again. Okay, now this is 7R, we're up. All right, good. Now this level is going to be a psychological level, meaning there's going to be a lot of analysis to verify that level. So when price comes back up there, I'll not really be interested in selling again because price might just come to rather level out. So right now, I don't see any valid key level that I'd say, oh, I'll trade from here. This one down here is kind of tempting, but price has spent a lot of time before coming back there, and I don't really want to, hope on that. Maybe that's the level working out, but no. So how many trades have we taken so far? 4 trades, okay. 4 trades, and they're all winners. Beautiful. So far at this point, we have 100% win rate. So let's keep going. All we need to do, guys, is very simple. All we need to do, I remind, is you wait for what? You wait for price to hold at a particular price level for a while. Then suddenly you see these large institutions pushing price with a lot of volatility, with a lot of volume, pushing price to the opposite direction, breaking those levels. So when you see now those levels that have been broken out with a lot of weeks, you enter your trade. Okay, place a sell limit or you do confirmation. So it depends. I confirm some entries and some entries I don't confirm. I just use sell limit others. All right. Okay, pause this for me real quick. I see something happening here, but I'm not really sure what to look for because I see this kind of no, I see a trend line here. I see like a trend line here. Then I see this resistance. It's too big, anyways, let's just highlight this out. I'd like to sell here, guys. My stop loss definitely go up there. And my target is definitely 2R. See? Okay, it's like I'm gonna get left out here. If these lows get taken out, then I want to be out of this trade. Okay, Cool. I'll just delete my limit. So if I was trading live, I'll just go back and delete I'll set an alarm here. So once price breaks this low here, I'll definitely go and delete my limit and reanalyze my charts. All right. But you can see price pushed down. Our bias was right. Okay, we're looking at bearish here. As you can see, there was kind of an ascending wedge pattern here. You can see price bouncing up and respecting this trend line for a while. Then when it suddenly breaks with a lot of momentum like this, of course, you know that when price breaks, it usually comes back for a retest. So we didn't quite get tapped in. So yeah. But the most important thing is that what the bias was right. We knew that the market was going to sell. But now at what point or where are we willing to enter this market? That's a decision that you have to make. Okay. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Okay, you see, if we had a limit up here, what would have happened? It would have been stopped out. So please learn to, anyways, let's just keep going. Okay, I see this area here. It's quite tempting, but it's not really my ideal kind of setup, all right? But still, it is a key level that has potentials, meaning price has formed it, broken it, retested it twice, and now it's pushing. So let's see how that goes. And I also cannot resist this trend line that I see here. Oh, guys, let me do this. This platform is so annoying. Oh God, please. Oh my God. Let me just do like this. Please, I'll probably next time before doing another backtesting video, I must have rectified my trading view, so I wouldn't be using this shit again. So now this is it. We have this. I'll definitely be looking for a top here, maybe deeper, and boom. This market should buy up from here. All right. So this is analysis. These are the kind of analysis that I make and post on Instagram daily basis. So if you're not on my Instagram, please consider following because I post videos like this every day. So be part of it, my little community. And of course, price is gonna leave us behind. Okay, we are in, and woo. Okay, great. Now this is a break-even trade. Okay, so definitely we've taken partials, guys. We've not been stopped out yet, so we've definitely taken partials, and now we are moving our stops to break even. So we've taken partials at 1-to-1, guys. All right, we've taken partials around here. That's a 1-to-1. And we've moved our stops to break even. So price will stop us out here. And that's it. So we're up 1 hour again. Open that up. So that's why I see it's important to manage your trades the way you do. You have to be able to take partials. That way to reduce your risk. Good. So now let's play price. And yeah, of course it goes all the way to TP. This happens a lot. And when you see this, you're like, should I have held this trade? No, it was close to my stop loss and I don't regret getting out. So yeah, it is what it is. But you see, our analysis was still correct. Our bias was still correct. Guys, I'm not playing with this thing. I'm not playing. I trade this fucking market for real. You feel me? All right, let's keep going. That's how many trades in a row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. 5 trades. Uh, 3 hit TP and the other ones partials and break even. So I don't know how to call that. These are still good trades to me. It's better than a loss. All right. Now let's look for a fresh key level. Analysis is very important. You go with the wave, you go with the market, you go with the trend, you go with the flow. Okay. Okay. I like this area here, though I'm kind of late because I already see a retest at that zone. You can see here, guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks rejecting this area impulsively. So if you highlight this zone here, it's going to leave you with a what? It is going to leave you with a supply zone. It's going to leave you with a resistant area here. You can see price ducking into this and dropping all the way down. So I'm kind of, this was supposed to be my trade because as this thing breaks here, definitely I'll have an alert and a limit order sitting here. This price is just too fast for me to catch up sometimes. So it was playing way too fast. I'm going to take this trade anyways, because if I was trading live, my limit would have definitely been here. Remember, this is the 4-hour time frame, meaning before this thing even comes back here, it's gonna take like an entire day. So I'll have my trade limit sitting there, and my target will be 1 to 2, just like that. And of course, we hit TP. So it's simple. You might think, oh, there's something else to it. There's nothing else to it. There's nothing else to it. Replay this video. Listen to exactly what I said. Look for areas. Price is rejecting everywhere in the market. Look at here. This is a rejection. But I'll not come and sell here. I'll not sell here. I'll not sell here. Why? Because I don't see the kind of rejection that I need. I need this kind of rejection. If you cannot understand these kind of rejections, DM me. I need to open your brain and put something inside. So this is 2R again. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 straight in a row. Winners. Let's go. Of course, looking at this, if price comes all the way up here, I still want to be in this trade. So I would definitely have a limit order here again. And my stops, same place, just like the other one. Targets, same place, 2R, of course. And the price left us behind. Beautiful. Now you just delete your order. I don't care if the price comes back all the way up there and rejects, okay? Once I don't feel like being in that trade, I'm out. I follow my guts. I do not force myself. I don't know how long this video has been going on for, but okay. See what the price is doing here. This is kind of messy, and you see that every time the market, does this kind of noisy reaction, there's always an explosive move to one direction, just like here, like I said. After this is called accumulation, then probably here, this is distribution. This price like here is distribution. This is accumulation here. And guys, every trader has an A-list setup, meaning we all have like a favorite setup that when we see these setups, we always feel very, very excited to take because we trust, and I don't know. So I have my A-list setup. Let's have an A-list setup, of course. When I see them, I just go wild. Okay. If you don't, this is a very long period of time. Imagine sitting all this time without trading. But I still feel good because I've taken winners in a row, so I don't need to rush it. If you want a funded challenge, you definitely would have passed it already. Trading like this, you definitely would have passed it already. I don't care how much or how large the account is. As long as you're risking 1% per trade, guys, you're up like how many percent already? So that's dope. This is a beautiful trend line forming here, but it's none of my concern because I haven't seen anything that interests me yet. I'm not a trend line trader. So sometimes you see my analysis, you maybe think I don't trade trend lines, all right? I don't. I use trend line as a confluence. I use trend line as a directional bias. So I don't really trade trend lines. Okay. Euro GBP, all this period, all this time going here without any trades, definitely I would have been looking at other pairs. So if I don't see setups on any other pair, I'll just, sit on my hands and do nothing. But if I see trade setups on other pairs, you can take them. It's good. I just have my setups that I want to see. I want to see them. Yes, I see something here. Can you guys see this? I see these lows forming here. If I see a break, that's definitely a trade for me. Boom, it has broken. But now with this kind of power to the downside, I'm not pretty sure this market will be able to reach all the way up here because why? It's too heavy. It's too big. Like it's heavy to carry itself back up. Do you understand? Like it's weighing down too much. So it might not reach all the way up there. But just for safety purposes or anything, well, I'll just highlight this area here. You might be like, what kind of zone is that? What kind of point of interest is that? What kind of key level is that? Yeah, you're right. What kind of key level is this? But this key level has something. You need to ask yourself as well, why would price spend hours and days in that particular zone? Meaning that zone is special. That zone is, there's something about that zone. So yeah, boom. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You see that? Almost no drawdown. That's a perfect trade. Perfect. Do I need to explain anything to you? Please tell me in the name of God. Do I need to explain anything to you? I didn't sell here. I'm not stupid. I saw this zone, pushed price higher than this level ever did. But there's something about this area here. Price would wait. Price would consolidate here. This price has spent days inside this zone, guys. Then finally breaks out. What do you think? There's something there. There's a lot of liquidity. There's a lot of orders sitting here. I've been doing this thing for a while. I've been monitoring. I've been looking at this chart for a very, very long time. Not like a very, very long time. It's not like I've been trading for long. I've been trading for like 2 years. Like I've been trading professionally for 1 year straight up, all right? But I've been in Forex like 2 years. So that's it, 2 years. I don't need five. I don't need to tell you I've been trading this market for 18 years before you believe anything I say. No, I'm smart. I'm smart. I'm the smartest in my class. So whatever I do it good. I'm telling you. So that is an example of a super trade. You feel me? I get tagged in, almost no drawdown. I'll whip that thing out. So how many setups? How many trades are this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So okay, 3 more trades to go. My objective is 10 trades. And guys, imagine how many trades? 7 trades in a row, winners. 7 trades, 100% win rate. Where will you see that? Where? Where? Before I said it, I almost didn't take this trade because I never thought this market would reach all the way up here. But sometimes when you see these things, just place your orders. You never know. Sometimes the market go crazy. So yeah. Sometimes you wait. It's worth waiting. You see how long we waited before taking this setup? You just have to wait. Be able to wait. It's 4 hours. Yeah, it's frustrating. You feel like, oh, you don't have time. You have to give you 30 days. 30 days is enough. If you have these pairs like 8 or 10 of them, 30 days is enough for you to pass that challenge. I guarantee you that. And if you're on your road to pass these challenges, if you're on your road to take this, I've taken a few funded challenges. I've failed some in the past, but now these things are way too easy. I've just been passing challenges like 8, like all right. So my target, my aim is to go for like 100K to 300K before this year ends. So you have to get on that challenge. If you feel like there's something you're lacking behind or you don't see these challenges as anything, you can trade your personal money. I don't know, it's your own, it's your personal, choice. So I don't have any advice for you to say, oh, trade this one, don't trade this one. If you have money to trade, trade. I don't have money. So that's why I'm trading other people's money. And I feel safe trading other people's money. I don't know about you. I'm going to cut this video here, guys. I feel like this video has been going long enough. I don't want this thing to be too long. So, so far we've had 100% win rate, and I'm really, really happy to, share these videos with you guys. So if you're watching this video, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel. Leave me a comment down below and join my free Telegram channel. The links are down below. If you feel like you want to join my private community, if you want me to coach you, you want me to talk to you, you want me to, work with you one-on-one, evaluate yourself and everything, you can send me a DM. I have all the links down below. You can just text me on Telegram or join my free Telegram. I have some links in there that you can, get to me easily. On IG, you can write me on Instagram as well. So I'll get to you and we'll have a chat and I'll tell you exactly how to go about it. So peace. My name is